Today we're testing a new hiking backpack that's lightweight, can be collapsed down into a pocket-sized travel bag, and yet still has enough space to hold everything I need. And this hiking backpack comes shipped to your door, ready for you to get your hike on as well. The whole thing only weighs 8.4 ounces, and the backpack is stored inside of this little pocket. So unzip it and unfold your hiking backpack. Then the pocket it was stored in goes on the inside, giving you an extra inner pocket. This backpack has some other useful pockets. There's a front zipper pocket, a small pocket on the straps, as well as 2 inner pockets, and can hold up to 15 liters. So I grabbed all my gear and loaded it down. I found a pocket for everything I need in the woods. Then I threw on the backpack and adjusted the straps to tighten it down. And even with all that, it was still really lightweight and hardly filled, so I added an axe to the straps on the front. Everything fit well, so now that I have all my essentials on me, I went for a hike. It was comfortable to wear and didn't bounce around while I was walking. The bag is made out of a 300D nylon fabric, keeping it safe from rugged terrain or accidental snags. It's also made out of a water-resistant material, so this will help your items stay safe in wet environments. Not to mention, the weight of the bag was spaced out evenly, and I hardly noticed it on my back. After a bit of hiking, I got to my survival shelter and hung up the bag and rehydrated. Because thankfully, it has a big water bottle pocket to bring a water bottle or even a thermos. Now I won't have to worry about water while I'm out and about. So overall, I really like this hiking backpack. It's so lightweight, can store all my items, and feels great to wear. So if you're looking for a nice, lightweight hiking backpack that you can take with you and hold all your items, this hiking backpack might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go for another hike. See ya.